Hi guys, this is Matt from ViewSonic and we're here at ISE 2019. I'm just using myViewBoard software right now, and what I want to do is show you how easy it is to bring in your content from your local and your cloud storage. So right over here I've got my magic box which lets me access all of my files. Just in the local storage right now that's on the PC that we're connected to. So I'm going to open my downloads and I've got a video file here. I'm just going to drag this into the canvas, and that's basically going to load up my video file and allow me to play my video, which is actually some images of the Voyager space mission that we want to have a look at right now. So with my select tool I can move this around anywhere on the canvas so I can get it in position, I can resize it, and then when I play the video I've got all the usual screenshot, edit, copy tools that you'd expect. So what I'm going to do is the film plays, I'm going to take some like snapshots of something of interest that we can discuss later. So here we have Jupiter. As the slides progress, we've now got Jupiter's red spot, which is another interesting feature. And as we go through the video, we'll just take the snapshots of what we want to build up our storyboards. And then when we finish with the video, just press the delete button, and then we can move these around into position and have a look at what we've got. And we can engage the students and work out kind of what this is all about. So this is actually based on Voyager 2, which is actually a space mission from NASA. And if you want to bring in some more information about that, we can do that from our built-in web browser. And on the browser we can search Wikipedia, we can search Google Images and YouTube. And what I'm going to do now is actually log into my profile on myViewBoard to access all of my saved bookmarks and cloud storage. So using the companion app, I can sign in with my email address and password. Once I'm signed in, I get my QR code, and I just put this little icon down the bottom here, and this will allow me to actually sign in with my phone, connect to my cloud storage, which will appear at the top, and this will then update all of my content. So if we go to Wikipedia, I can search for Voyager in the search bar, Voyager 2, and here we have some information. Now if I want to keep this, I can embed, and I can then use this alongside my images. If I want to take a snapshot of that, I can do that as well with a snapshot build. And again, this is now content that I can actually use and move around. And we can also use our infinite canvas to actually move this around into position. And because I'm now logged in, I can now access my cloud storage. So if I go to Google Drive, this will then load all my content. If I go to my local repository here, you'll see I've got some other content saved online. So I'm just going to choose this image, and I'm going to bring this across. This will just download and bring this straight into the canvas. So what I'm able to do here is bring in content from the web, from my local storage and from my cloud storage, all from inside myViewBoard. If you'd like any more information, please visit the website. It's www.myviewboard.com, and what you'll see is our homepage, which gives you information on education and on business, and you can also sign up for a free account. So yeah, www.myviewboard.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.